Hello YouTube, it's your boy TB Abanda, the dark coder from dark-kodertech technology, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to fix your slow internet connections and Windows. And before we start, we have a list of commands that we are going to be working on. And firstly, we have to disable the peer-to-peer updates. In order for us to do that, we have to open our run box by holding the Windows key, an arrow, and right below we type in control update and hit enter. Okay, here we go. We click on the advanced option and you scroll right down, the delivery optimization, you click here. And right here, allow download from other PCs. Make sure you put this on. Okay, for our second option, we have to limit your reservable bandwidth. So to do that, we will need to type in the following command on our one box, that is gpedit.msc. You hit the enter. Okay, so we are right here under the local computer policy. What we are really targeting here is the administrative template, and under here expand the network, and under network look for the QoS packet scheduler and you click, and on the right side you will see the limit reversible bandwidth. You double click. Okay, right here we are supposed to enable this and set it to 0. You click on apply and okay. Thirdly, we are supposed to update our LAN or Wifi Ethernet drivers, and for this we will need to be connected to the internet, and in the same light we hold the Windows keys and the run to open our run box, and we type in the dev command, the devmgmt.msc. we hit on the enter key. Right here we are looking for network adapters, and we expand here, and on the first option you right click and you click on update, search automatically. Okay, so my drivers are already up to date, but you can update yours. On our third option, we have to disable Windows 10 or Windows 7 autotuninglevel, and we have 3 commands we are going to run under this. So to do that, we need to go on our start bar, we click and you open cmd, type cmd, and you right click, you run it as administrator. Yes. Okay, so for our first command we'll be typing the netsh in TCP show global, hit enter. Okay, so receive here you have to change this to disable. Mine is already disabled, but I'm going to show you guys how you can disable yours. If it's on normal, you type the netsh again, print TCP set global auto tuning level equals to normal. Okay, in this case, if yours is normal, here we are going to replace this command with the disabled command. So if I run the enter key, you can see it says okay. If I still type the netsh int tcp show global command, okay, right now you can see my auto tuning level is abnormal, but what I want to show you in this video is that you should turn this normal to this thing to disable. So you just have to type this command right here, and so this is actually what we do, auto tuning disabled, and we click the enter. Okay, it says okay. Now to verify, as I did earlier, you just do the netsh int tcp show global. Okay, now you can see it is disabled. In this case up here it was enabled, and right down here it is disabled. Okay, now on our last point and the last step to speed up our slow internet problem is by disabling the large send offload. And to do that, we have to run our run box by pressing the Windows key arrow and typing the devmgmt.msc command, and we still go under the network adapter command option, and we right click on this first option, and this time around we're going to properties. Going to advanced option, you go to your large send offload. Mine is the IP version 4. You can be using the IP version 6, and right here on the left side you have to disable this, and you click OK. Oh my God. Hello friends, I think this will be all for our video of today, and please, if you like this video, don't forget to hit on the like button and also subscribe by hitting on the notification bell that is right below here. And if you have any questions, please don't forget to send. Thank you and stay blessed as I see you in my next video.